Are you tired of the long queues and paperwork involved in traditional banking? Are you looking for a convenient and hassle-free way to manage your finances? If so, then Moka Bank might be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps on how to open an account with Moka Bank. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly understand why Moka Bank is gaining popularity. It's a digital bank that offers a wide range of banking services, from savings accounts to loans, all accessible through your smartphone. It's designed to simplify your financial life, making it easier to manage your money on the go. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download the Moka app. App stores. The first step is to download the Moka app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Compatibility. Ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements for the app to function smoothly. Step 2. Create an account. Personal information. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Sign Up. You'll be asked to provide basic personal information such as your full name, phone number, and email address. Unique password. Create a strong, unique password to protect your account. Verification. You may be required to verify your phone number and email address through a verification code. Step 3. Complete your profile. KYC process. To comply with regulatory requirements, you'll need to complete a Know Your Customer (KYC) process. This involves uploading clear photos of your government-issued ID, like a national ID card or passport, and a recent selfie. Biometric verification. You may also be required to complete a biometric verification process, such as facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. Step 4. Fund your account. Bank transfer. One of the most common methods is to transfer funds from your existing bank account to your Moka account. The app usually provides instructions on how to initiate a bank transfer. Card funding. You can also fund your account using a debit or credit card. Moka agents. In some regions, you may be able to fund your account through Moka agents. Step 5. Explore Moka's features. Once your account is verified and funded, you can start exploring the various features Moka offers. Savings accounts. Create multiple savings accounts with different interest rates and goals. Loans. Apply for personal loans directly through the app. Bill payments. Pay bills easily and securely. Mobile money. Send and receive money to and from other Moka users. Investments. Explore investment options like stocks and mutual funds. Tips for a smooth Moka experience. Strong password. Use a strong, unique password to protect your account. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your account. Keep your app updated. Ensure you have the latest version of the Moka app for optimal performance and security. Regularly review your transactions. Keep track of your spending and income. Contact Moka support. If you have any issues or questions, reach out to Moka's customer support. Opening an account with Moka Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can easily join the growing number of people who are benefiting from Moka's convenient and innovative banking solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.